Hello, welcome back to the Thinking Stack. Let's secure our AWS account with Passkeys from macOS or iPhone. So let's log in into our AWS account and get into the IAM user that we want to assign the MFA device to. Click on Assign MFA and select the passkey option and click on Next. It will give you an option to continue with Touch ID or other options. Click on other options, choose iPhone, iPad and scan this QR code using your mobile phone camera, and it will add this as a passkey after verifying your authentication on your phone. Next, it will add this authentication passkey in your account. Now, if you come back and verify this IAM user, you will have a assigned MFA device to it. Now let's go back and log in with this user. To log in, enter your account ID, username and password and click on sign in. It will give you an option whether to use a Touch ID or use other sign-in options. Click on other sign-in options, choose iPhone and again scan your QR code from iPhone, and it will validate you using your Face ID like it did for me, and it will authenticate and log you in just like this.